Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix League of Legends error code 003. So if you are facing error code 003 in League of Legends, firstly you should check the status of Riot servers and see if the problem is from their end. In order to do that, open up your browser and in the search panel type status.riotgames.com, then hit enter. After coming to this website, scroll down. From here select League of Legends, and from here you will see all the issues that are currently happening with League of Legends, and if none of them are server sided, that means the problem is most probably from your side and you need to fix it through your settings. After checking out the server status and in order to fix your issue, head to the search panel of Windows. From here type settings, then click on open. After that, head to the network and internet section, go advanced network settings, and from here you need to click on network reset. After that, click on the reset now button, which will reset your network settings to the factory default, which will resolve many of these issues. After you have resetted your network, head back to network and internet again, click on the Ethernet button. From here, go to the DNS server assignments tab and click on the edit button. From here you need to select the DNS of Google, so it will be 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS will be 8.8.4.4. Then click on the save button. Now exit. So after you have changed these settings, and if you head into the game of League of Legends, you will face no issues regarding error code 003 and you can enjoy the game at the fullest.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.